cat. Hello kids, let's meet my favorite pet animal. Let's go. Here is my favorite pet animal. That is a cat. Her name is Catty the cat. Let me tell you something about Catty the cat. The cat has two beautiful eyes. It has two perky ears, one nose and a mouth. The cat has 4 legs with tiny paws and sharp claws. It has a tiny body covered with smooth fur, and it has a furry tail as well. It has few whiskers under its nose. The cat likes to drink milk and she likes to eat fishes. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye.